Welcome to Transcendental Teachings. Kindly subscribe to our channel, like, share, and hit the notification icon for any updates. Transcendental Teachings is here to teach you something different. In today's video, we are here to teach you something about sun shower. Sun shower is a meteorological phenomenon in which rain falls while the sun is still shining. Sometimes a sun shower is created when a single rain shower cloud passes overhead and the sun's angel keeps the sunlight from being obstructed by overhead clouds. It always comes as a surprise because the rain can be heavy at times. Please try not to use this kind of rainwater for either cooking, performing any ritual, drinking, and others because it is not good for use. Transcendental Teachings, it's all about nature from the premises of Dr. Nana Guan. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment at the comment section if you have any question. Transcendental Teachings, it's all about nature from the nature president. Bye.